Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer from Etrade to Robinhood. First, decide if you need a full ACATS transfer or a partial one. A full transfer moves all eligible assets, while a partial one lets you select specific holdings. It's crucial that your account details, like your name and account type, are identical at both Etrade and Robinhood to avoid delays. Also, be prepared for a potential transfer fee from Etrade, which is typically around $75. Before initiating the transfer, prepare both your Etrade and Robinhood accounts. Make sure you have sufficient cash in your Etrade account to cover any outgoing transfer fees. You should also sell any fractional shares or assets that Robinhood does not support, as these cannot be transferred. Finally, double-check that your personal information, such as your address and social security number, is consistent across both platforms to prevent any holdups. Once your accounts are ready, you'll initiate the transfer directly from your Robinhood account. They will then communicate with Etrade to move your assets. After submission, regularly check the status of your transfer within the Robinhood app or website. While the exact timing can vary, most ACATS transfers typically complete within 5 to 7 business days. If you experience significant delays, contact Robinhood's support team for assistance. After your transfer is complete, carefully review your Robinhood account to ensure all your assets have arrived as expected. It's also important to verify that your cost basis information for each security is accurate, as this is crucial for tax reporting. If anything looks incorrect, contact Robinhood support immediately. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your new trading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.